6:54, so almost 7 o'clock this morning. Hubby just left and I made us lunch. And while I was making lunch, I cleaned up the kitchen. It was already clean, but there was a few like pots and pans because I made eggs, hard-boiled eggs for hubby's lunches this week. So I cleaned up that and started the dishwasher while I was making his lunch. All right, so I'm going to do my choice. So, and I'm going to go for a walk. That's what I'm going to do first. So, but I wanted to show you this. So, sometimes I get complacent with lists and stuff. And so I like to change it up. So I'm going to use this list. Now, this is a list from Clutterbug, from Cassandra. You guys, I'm sure you know her from, I love her channel. Been following her since she was a little bitty channel. And this is actually, I think, a kid's list. But I really like it because, you know, I like my little boxes. So Sandy from Let's Get Fit, if you want a checklist like that, she was saying she liked the little boxes and how I checked them off, that maybe you want to do that. So I'm going to write things in here, you know, like make my bed, that I do every day. So it'd be kind of nice to see it all like in one pace rather than this. And toward the end of the week, I didn't even start I wasn't even checking this off. I was doing all these things, but I wasn't checking it off because I got my routine down pretty darn good. But I'm going to try this, and I want to, you know, this here is going to be extras. And, you know, I'm just going to cross them off. Now, may or may not write what the extra thing is, but today I think I'm going to do vacuuming and mopping the whole house. I think that's what I'll do. It's pretty clean, so I can do that. And I might do dusting one day this week. I'm going to try my hand at doing that kind of thing. Although the truck needs cleaned. So, alright, I'm going to finish. I guess I'm going to make my bed and then go for my walk. I got my bubble mug started here. I need to put some ice in it. Yeah. I don't have. Oh, the other thing I need to do is I do need to not clean out the fridge, but I need to organize the fridge. I cleaned it. It's clean. It just needs to be organized. I need to do some food prep and all like that, but that's not cleaning. Yeah. So you can print this out from, I'll put the link down below, from Cassandra's website. It's a free printable. So the other thing I wanted to say is that a subscriber, actually, it was another YouTuber. It's Cherie from Hey, It's Cherie. She said that she's an OCD list maker too, but she likes to make lists, but for some reason she doesn't like to make a chore list because she hates the fact that at the end of the day there's still some stuff not checked off, and she doesn't like that. I totally get that. My nephew made fun of me because he saw my list hanging up one day when he was over here. So like if I do the laundry, I'll put a half. I won't put an X. I'll put a half. And he goes, "What does that mean? You halfway did it?" I'm like, "Yeah." And then of course my niece said, "Yeah, high five to OCD list makers." She does the same thing. Anyway, my suggestion to you, if you have a problem with that, is to make a to-done list instead of a to-do list. So as you do a chore, because it just makes you feel good that you got that stuff done and you have a whole list of things so you can look back and see what you have actually accomplished through the day. If you had not thought that you did anything that day, you know, I've done that before. So just get a blank piece of paper and write, as you do a chore, write down the chore and cross it off if you want, even though you. And so by the end of the day, you'll see that you actually accomplished quite a bit. So, and then you will have no boxes left that you have to check off because you're only writing down what you actually have already done. Anyway, that's just a little tidbit. I'm going to get started on my day and see you in a little bit. Here should take me like 20 minutes and then I'm gonna go get my day started. Hey guys, so I did all of my morning chores and stuff. Ew. Why is there like this film on this Oh, it's pollen. Because we've been having the house all open up. I'm sure you can't see that. Oh, there's just this film of, see that yellow stuff? Pollen everywhere. Oh my God. Yeah, it's on my wall unit over there. So, oh, that's the bad thing about having the house all open is, yeah, this time of year that happens. So, dusting is relentless, so why bother? Anyway, so I did start vacuuming and then I gave up because the stupid filter on this thing keeps popping out and it irritated me. And so then I just got busy doing some bills, answering comments, watching TV, doing a little bit of this and that thing, and yeah, just doing some little things around the house. Nothing, no cleaning and all that kind of stuff. And so I think I'll go out and wash the car instead. Wash the car and clean the inside of the car out. There are going to be days, well, I'm going to do that. So that is my extra thing today. And you see I had vacuum and mop on there. I'm not really sure why I put that on there. But there are going to be days where I'm not going to do an extra because that would be extra cleaning chores. So the extra might be things like do the bills, organize. Well, organize is cleaning, but you know, just, I don't know, like redecorating something, rearranging things, just stuff that has nothing to do with cleaning. And yeah, like I need to work on the craft room because I need to patch the holes in the wall. So, you know, projects and things like that. So, all right, I'll be quiet and I'm going to go outside and do the car. It is 4:30 something. So, I got steak out over there. We're going to have steak for dinner and veggies. And so that's easy peasy. Dinner, not a big deal. Won't mess up the kitchen too much. And I'll get started on the car. I said car, I meant truck. So let me show you the state of this truck. First of all, this truck is a 2000, so it is 18 years old. But what's happening here is this, the rubber, whatever, the rubber stuff on the car bleeds. So when you wash it, it bleeds. See all this black stuff, and it gets filthy dirty, and I should learn how to go to the car wash, but I've never actually brought my car to the car wash. It'd probably be so much easier. But you know, I kind of been sitting around today, so it's good for me to get some exercise, and that will be some exercise. And yeah, so look at this filthy mess. It's just gross. And there's some stuff back there. See, look at the pollen. You see the pollen? Yeah, so I'm going to wash this car and it's just going to be useless. Ugh. Love this time of year, but hate this time of year too because of the pollen. So yeah, there's garbage in here and it smells in here. Oh, all right. So yeah, just showing you really bad. So my house is all clean and my car is not. So it's been severely neglected and it's bugging the crap out of me, and I'm going to get to it right now. Yes, I am. Okay, now do you see the pollen? All that yellow stuff is pollen that was on the driveway. And yeah, and I'm doing this on the fly, so I don't exactly have the right things. I didn't have shampoo for the rugs, and I just got dish soap to wash the car in. Whatever, it's getting done. I don't care. It's gonna have to be done again anyway because of all this pollen. I'm just so, my house is all clean, and now I'm thinking there's gonna be pollen all over everything inside. There already is. Yikes. Alright, I clearly didn't think this all the way through. So now it's wet. I should have vacuumed first. But I didn't. I'm wondering if that's going to have to wait for another day. So it's still dirty, but all the black smuts got off of it. Mostly. You see this rag? That's, yeah. It wasn't just dirt. I mean, it was dirty. And look, there's still some dirt right here. But I am not going to be meticulous about it. I mean, the car's trashed. Whatever. It's just not going to stay clean because of the rubber stuff just dripping and dripping. And so, yeah, it's relentless. But at least it looks a little better. Got all the pollen off, got all the gook off, and it looks at least a little bit better. And yeah, I feel better. The tires, the rims were filthy, and so I cleaned all that. So now I got to do the inside. And I'm just going to get some soapy water and wipe down the doors and the dash and everything like that. But I didn't show you that because, yeah, I just didn't show you that. What is this? There's a piece of paper. So it still needs to be vacuumed, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. So this is a 2-day job. But you see here, like, I didn't wipe that down. Whatever. It's not completely, you know, in the door jambs or whatever. It's not completely clean, but whatever. Again, the truck actually has an oil leak. And either we have to go get that fixed or buy a new truck. So again, it's on its last leg. I mean, we kind of want to run it to the ground before we buy a new one. So I'm not going to take the time to spiffify. I can't say spiffify. Was that even a word? The car, the truck. You know, it's not like we're going to sell it or something. I don't know. Maybe. Whatever. So yeah, so I'll pick up where I left off tomorrow. I gotta clean up this mess, so I'm gonna just put this stuff in the garage. That stuff goes in the garage anyway. That's for recycle bags and egg cartons and stuff, those 2 bins when I take it to Publix. And I need to bring this inside and wash that in the sink, and this stuff stays in the truck. But I'm going to put it in the garage for now until I vacuum it out. Alright guys, that's it until tomorrow. Look at the spiders in the tree. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I'll get up close. Good morning, guys. How are you this morning? Well, there's even spiders in the grass. Little spider things in the grass. So the spiders went to town last night in this tree, which hasn't blossomed yet. Can you see them? Oh. Tree. There's some on the ground right there, those little white spots that you see. That's, yep, kind of cool. Alright, so it's 7-ish, around 7 o'clock. Time to get started. I was supposed to mow the lawn yesterday. Never got around to that either. Maybe I'll do that today. I need to finish the truck though. But that just needs vacuumed, and I'm going to Windex the windows. And then I'm going to do my daily 5 first, and then yeah. Kitty, you want to say hi? Say hi, baby. Okay, so I didn't clean up last night after dinner, but that's okay. We had steak, and Yeah, I've been cleaning up during making dinner. I don't really feel like it after dinner, but I do most of it. These are just our plates and stuff, and the dishwasher needs to be unloaded this morning, so I will do that, and it won't take but a few minutes to get that done. Okay, and I don't necessarily do things in order, so I'm going to wait till later to do that. I think I'm going to check comments, do my scripture writing, and then go take a walk at the park, and then come back and start my chores, that kind of thing. This is gorgeous. Okay guys, so back to being on the car. This is not happening today because while I'm trying to make the bed, I threw my back out. Fun. It's hurting pretty bad actually. I got right into the shower afterwards and it feels better, but it feels like a pulled muscle this time. It's in a different place. It's in the middle of my back on the side, the right side, and it feels like a muscle. Yeah, I did that, like twisted the wrong way when I was making the bed, so I can't really do any bending or twisting or anything. I can walk around and a little bit, and then I gotta sit and rest. So yeah, not happening. And I'm not sure how long it's gonna be before I can do some more cleaning, so I might do some other videos instead. We shall see. So the truck is to be continued because I'm definitely not bending and twisting doing that. Anyway, that's it for this video, and until the next cleaning video, guys, enjoy your day. But my brother-in-law is here, and he's putting the flooring in today for the craft room, so that's exciting. All right, I'm gonna rest, take it easy, and I'll see you when I see you. Okay, I'm resting. Callie, what are you doing? I guess she didn't want to take a nap with me.